Namaste, I am Krishna. We have successfully finished learning the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. Now we shall see the Falashruti or the benefits of hearing this chant. The next slogas are Ididam kirtaniyasya keshavasya mahatmanah namnam sahasram divyanam ashesena pradititam, which means in this way all the 1,000 holy names of the great Lord Keshava was told. Yaidam shrunuya nityam yaschapi parikirtayet nashuvam prapniyat nichit somutrena chamanavah, which means nothing inauspicious will befall the person who listens to or sings all the names daily in the world or the worlds beyond. Vedantako brahmana syat kshatriyo vijayi bhavet Vaishodhana samruddha syat shudra sukhavamapniyat, which means chanting the 1,000 names of the Lord will bring knowledge to the Brahmin, victory to the Kshatriya, wealth to the Vaisya, and happiness to the Sudra. Dharmati prapnuyat dharmam arthati chartamapnuyat kamana vapnuyat kami prajati chapnuyat prajam, which means if a person recites these 1,000 names and abides by dharma, he will get all that he desires, whether it is wealth, children, or pleasures. Bhaktiman sadotaya suchistagatamanasaha sahasram vasudevasya namnam etat prakirtayet. The next few lines describe the benefits derived by a person who rises in the morning, purifies himself by bath, and with utmost devotion recites the 1,000 names of Lord Vasudeva. Yasha prapnoti vipulam yati pradanyaveva cha achalam shriyam apnoti shreya prapnotyanuttamam, which means such a person as described above will gain great fame and will always come first in whatever he does. He will gain abundant wealth that will last forever and will enjoy everlasting bliss. Nabhayam kachidapnoti viryam tejascha vindati bhavantyarogo jutiman balarupo gunamvita, which means such a person will be fearless and free from sickness at all times. He will acquire great power and strength, a healthy body, noble traits, and brilliance. Rogarto muchyate roga, baddho muchyeta bandhanat, bayan muchyeta bidastu, muchyetapanna badanaha. By chanting these hymns, if a person is sick, he will be cured. If a person is bound by difficulties, he will be set free. If he is afraid, he will be free from fear. And if he is in danger of any magnitude, he will be safe. Durganyati taratyashu purusha purushottamam stuvannama sahasrena nityam bhakti samanvitaha, which means he who chants the 1,000 holy names of Lord Purushottama with devotion will cross any misery and surmount any difficulty without fail. Vasudevashrayo martyo Vasudeva Parayanah Sarva Papa Vishuddhatma Yati Brahma Sanatanam, which means the one who seeks to attain Lord Vasudeva and recites the chant with get purified from all his sins and attain the purest Brahman form. Navasudeva bhaktanam shubham vidyate vajit janma mrityu jarat vyadi bhayam naivo bhajayate, which means the devotees of the great Lord Vasudeva will never face any difficulty, will never suffer any fear due to birth, old age, or death. Imam stava madhyana shraddha bhakti samanvitaha yujyetatma shukashanti sridhriti smriti kirtibihi, which means The person who sings these names with great devotion and bhakti will get great pleasure, patience, wealth, courage, and excellent memory to succeed in life. न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो न शुभामतिः भवन्ति कृतपुण्यानां भक्तानां पुरुषोत्तमे, which means the mind of the devotee of Lord Purushottama will never be tainted by anger, jealousy, or any evil thoughts. द्यौस चन्द्र कनक्षत्र कं दिशो भूर्महोदतिः वासुदेवस्य वीर्येण विदितानि महात्मनः, which means all this world, the sun, the stars, the moon and the sky, the sea and the directions are all born out of the great Lord Vasudeva. Sasura Gandharvam Sayakshoragarakshasam Jagatvase Vattatedam Krishnasya Sacharacharam, which means all the world and its contents, the living things and the non-living things, and the worlds and the devas, rakshasas, gandharvas, asuras and nagas are all under the supreme control of Lord Krishna. Indriyani mano buddhi sattvam tejo balam dhritihi vasudevatmakanyahu kshetram kshetrajnaye vacha, which means all the sense organs, the mind, wisdom, thoughts, strength, bravery, body and soul are all filled with Lord Vasudeva. Sarvagamana pratamam parikalpate achara prabhavo dharmo dharmasya prabhurachyutah, which means the basis of life is right conduct which leads to dharma. Dharma propagates the worship of Lord Achyuta, who not only helps to lead a life of dharma but also awards the fruits of such a life. Rushaya pitaro deva mahabhutani tatavah jangamam chedam jagannarayanodbhavam, which means all the sages, the ancestors, the devas, the five elements, all the pleasures, all the things which move and all that don't move, all have come from only Lord Narayana. Yogo jnanam tata sakyam vidyam shilpagdi karmacha veda shastrani vigyanam medas sarvam janadhanat, which means the art of yoga, Sankhya, the different art forms, the branches of learning, the Vedas and the Shastras, all have come from Bhagavan Janardana. Eko Vishnur Mahadbhutam Prutak Bhutanyane Kachaha Trin Lokan Vyapa Bhudatma Bhukte Vishwabhugavyayah, which means Vishnu has the many forms but he is one, and he divides himself and exists in all beings of the three worlds and rules over them untainted by any of the defects. Imam stavam bhagavado vishnor vyasena kirtitam pade deyi chet purusha shreya praptam shuganicha, which means the person who desires fame and pleasure should chant without fail the verses of this great stotra of Lord Vishnu sung by sage Vyasa. Vishveshwaramajam devam jagadaprabhuravyayam bhajanti ye pushkaraksham nadeyanti parabhavam om nama idi, which means he shall never fail who sings the praise of the Lord of the universe, who does not have birth, who is always stable, who shines and sparkles and has lotus eyes. Salutation to the Lord of all auspiciousness. Never will the devotee meet any disrespect or difficulty from any source. With this, we complete the Falashruti. In the next episode, we will conclude the Vishnu Sahasranamam. Thank you.